Okay, another thing I missing here. I added the order bump product here. So, and I added the order bump product here, and I hide it normally, like is previously like this on. So I just hide them like this and select this product bump with these products, like three products order bump here listed. So when check this on this first product order bump product automatically checked, and when it's checked, then it will appear to the order summary. So this is the order bump feature I built by JavaScript. Hey, you see, this is the Funnelish checkout page, and there are some advanced features I added by custom code. I hope you will impressed when you can see this. Like you see, there are three bundles like buy on, get on, buy two, get two, buy three, get three free. Okay, so when the buy on get on selected, you see this is the actual price and calculated price here, and the free gift price 29.97 is added to the summary automatically, and it's fully for free. It's boost your finalist checkout conversion rate, so it's very important. And at the bottom, you see there are three like free gifts or free options here. Another two is disable, but the first one enable. And if you can select the second one, you see the second one enable here, and here is also the second one added, and this is the calculated price like by 2 53.28, and multiply by 2 like 106. Okay, this is the buy 3 and get 3. You see the number 3 uh, gift enable, and it's also added like as a Shopify, uh, maybe catching bundle or some other app. They are using and pay a lot monthly to use this feature, but I added my custom code in Funnelish. Okay, and this is the main feature. So how I did, I just show you the uh, example. Like this is the, let's go to the first on the Funnelish checkout page dashboard. You see this is the three product item here, and this is the gift item. Buy on free gift on 2 and 3, and I set the price 0 here because this is just for showing the users their see on the checkout the product added to the cart. But in the back end, when you manage this campaign, you already know this is the campaign. You are selling buy one get one product, so when you see, you can just add it to the delivery. You can go to the editing mode. Here's the main custom code. Like I can design the uh, this section, like these sections using this HTML code, and normally it will be blur. And when this option will apply based on the click event, there's no backend or pricing functionality. Like I can just hide blur this section by default when selected any item. Then the JavaScript will check which item selected, then you will build a conditional logic with enabling this box like hide the blur item. So just it. And also for right side product appearing, let's check. Here's also JavaScript I used for the product element data you see here. Okay, maybe if you understand the JavaScript, then it will better. So I'm just showing you the idea. So if you have a developer, or if you want to use AI tools, then you can easily able to do that. Okay, element. This JavaScript for the order summary functionality, like we created these boxes, sorry, these order bumps, uh, as a order bumps product, and we build the conditional logic, like when select buy on get on free, then the first order bump, like this first order bump will add to the order summary, like the second and third. So there's no another like any other integration, so you can just use custom JavaScript to build this feature perfectly. So if you like this feature, and if you need this for your project, so you can just contact with me. I will uh, send you with a minimum cost. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.